Ready to skyrocket your business and go straight to level 10? All you need to do is tap into the massive growth potential locked inside social media. Now, I'm sure you've heard the incredible success stories of everyday people breaking out on social media and making it big. Entrepreneurs on the brink of bankruptcy have turned their fortunes around and made millions. We keep seeing these reports over and over, don't we? I know this insane viral success is not easy for everyone. It's a rare and exceptional feat that requires a mix of timing, strategy, and a huge amount of luck. But while instant fame on social media may be elusive, the good news is that you don't need it to create a life-changing impact. With dedication and tenacity, anyone can build an effective network and a profitable audience. Success on social media is the result of consistent effort and genuine engagement. Engagement, that is the key word. Everybody knows this. The more you engage, the more and faster you grow. That's the key to social media growth and success. And it's absolutely logical. When you engage with others a lot, you put yourself in front of them and also in front of their audience. If you engage in a meaningful, relevant manner, then you can attract the attention of big and influential creators and people who follow them. Make an impact and you will get the likes, the shares, and subscribers. It's that easy. But while the concept is simple, executing it effectively is insanely hard. It takes a lot of time and effort to engage meaningfully. You need to come up with innovative ideas and then express yourself in a manner that captures attention and literally forces your readers to react. Now that's part of where everyone hits an unbreakable barrier. We're not all writers. Thinking of interesting things to say and actually writing them all day is time-consuming and stressful. You'd have to be mentally numb to endure this relentless effort day in and day out. It's unfair, isn't it? Why should writers have all the fun? Someone ought to do something about this. Well, AI did. You know AI is a great writer. It has all the knowledge in the world, all the works of all the authors and all the best ideas of all the top copywriters. It knows everything and it knows the best way to say it. So here's a breakthrough idea. Let's give the engagement task to AI. How about that? Let AI think of perfect ideas, perfect responses. All you should need to do is click a button. And yes, you should be able to choose exactly what it should say. You must be able to choose to agree or disagree, applaud or sympathize. It has to match your mood, right? And what would be even better is if you could also subtly promote your own products and services in the responses. Now that would be great. And you should be able to do this in all the languages of the world. Oh, and yes, in under 15 seconds? Wouldn't it be fantastic if you could do all of that? Well, your wish just came true. Announcing Engagi AI. Engagi is an all-new Chrome extension that powers all your social media engagement with AI and makes growing your reach and your influence a no-brainer. Literally, it works with Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, and other Chrome-based browsers like Vivaldi and Brave. You could use it on PC, Mac, or even your iPad. Whenever you go to a social media website like Facebook, X, or LinkedIn, you will find the cute little Engagi icon on the comment box, and all you need to do to write a perfectly written, thoughtful comment is click a button. Engagi will automatically detect the original post, and then you can choose from a variety of moods to reply in or even provide your own. Yes, you can choose to agree, to disagree, to thank, to congratulate, to ask a question, to sympathize, or respond in so many other ways with just a click. Then you can also choose how long you want the response to be. Respond with a short 25-word message to a long 300-word explanation. You decide. You can also choose the AI too. Engagi is multi-AI with support for OpenAI, Claude, Llama, and other AIs. And we bring in new AIs all the time. Next, if you want to promote your product or service in the message, you could choose the product with another click. And that's it. That's all it takes to generate a perfectly written, highly engaging, attention-grabbing response that always gets noticed. Grab the attention of top influencers and build your network. Find fresh followers and admirers from the people who are reading up posts from other creators and feed the algo. Social media websites love engagement. The algorithm rewards people who engage, and when you do engage more with relevant responses, well, you get rewarded more. Every response from Engagi is custom crafted and unique. No matter how much you engage with Engagi, your account will always be spam-free and relevant. The best thing is, Engagi is so simple and smart that you could give your social media engagement to an assistant or even your 8-year-old child and still get great results. Engagi is flexible. Use it exactly the way you want. Power your engagement 100% with Engagi, or use it as an idea machine, quickly modifying the comments to your taste before posting. It's extremely simple and highly effective. So are you ready to build up your social media and get the results you've only dreamt of until now? It's time to get Engagi. Right now it's on a special sale and you could grab it for a very attractive price, a price you may not see again. Grab it now so that you could get the very best offer. Your investment in Engagi is 100% secure. Yes, you could try it without any risk for 30 days. Use Engagi, grow your followers, and if you are not absolutely delighted by the results, tell us anytime within those 30 days for a full refund. The risk is ours and the advantage all yours. So what are you waiting for? Get your Engagi now.
Hey there everyone, this is Cyril Gupta, the best friend in your business, and today I want to show you my new tool. It's called Engagi and it's a browser plugin for your Chrome browser, which also works with other Chrome based browsers like Edge from Microsoft. It also works with Vivaldi and Brave. Now everybody knows that on social media the only way to grow your account, grow your reach and your influence is by engaging with others. Yes, if you post, if you comment and reply to people and you post on high visibility posts, for example like this one, there is a big boost in your reach and you will be able to create bigger influence. You will have more contacts, more people will reply to you, more people will see your content, and you will have more friends, more fans and more subscribers. That is the only way now to grow your social media account. And I know it's hard work and takes a lot of time, but it's totally worth it. And that's why I made Engagi to make your job a little bit easier. So Engagi is a Chrome plugin. It's right inside of your browser and it integrates with all the popular social media websites. For example, right now I'm inside of Facebook, and when you go to Facebook, you can pick up posts, any post you want, and click on the comment box. And guess what? Engagi will appear right on the comment box itself. There is a little icon over here, and when you click on it, what Engagi does is read the post and help you create positive and strong engagement just the way you want without you having to spend a lot of time and effort trying to think what to say. I know that takes a lot of time. When people do the engagement manually, they will get only 20% of the work done, and with Engagi working for you, you can get 5x or even 10x the output and engage with a lot more people with a lot more relevance. That's what it's all about. So what you can do here is you can take the post and then choose what kind of response you want to create. So if you, for example, if you want to agree or if you disagree with what's being said in the post, or you want to thank them for what they've said, or congratulate them, or applaud them, or request more information, or ask a question, or sympathize, depending on the context of the post, you can draft a response. For example, this is an informational post, right? So you can do something like request information, right? You could even ask for more information about it. Then you can also select whether in your response you want an emoji. So if you want an emoji, you can check it. If not, then the AI might or might not return an emoji in the response. And finally, remember, Engagi is a tool that helps you draft a response using AI, and of course it gives you all the different options. It also lets you select how long the response should be. So if you want to keep it brief, just use that. It's going to be only 25 words, but you can go pretty long. If you move over your mouse here, you can see that big is 200 words, long is up to 300 words, and brief is only 25 words. So depending on how big the response you want, you can select the response size, and then if you want to promote any of your products or services, or you want to promote yourself, you can choose from pre-fed promotions. Of course, you can add new ones, you can edit existing promotions, or even delete them right inside the plugin. Now, if you want to promote any of your software, you can do that easily by just clicking and choosing what promotion you want to do, and Engagi will organically insert that product inside of your comment. Now, how cool is that? Because what you can do is you can engage with people all day, you can promote your products all day, and you can get sales just through Engagi by using engagement and responses to high visibility posts. Not only will you get growth and influence and reach and subscribers and fans, but also sales. Next, Engagi is multi-AI, so you can have that option to choose exactly the AI you want, and that helps you because that way you can be totally unique, and all of your responses will not be coming from the same AI, so they will actually tend to be different. And we have a selection of AIs for you. We've got GPT-4o Mini, GPT-4o, Claude, Mistral, Llama, and several other AIs will be added. All the new AIs that come in the market that are relevant and popular will be added in the future to Engagi, so you can make sure that it's gonna be always relevant, always high quality. So to get the post, all you need to do is click on generate, and in just a few seconds you will get a response drafted by Engagi. And check this out, it's a long response and it's absolutely on point. Wow, this is absolutely fascinating. The fact that these carvings have survived for over 9,000 years is incredible. I'd love to know more about the significance of these carvings and so on. All of this information is absolutely relevant to the post. It's not mindless, it's not spammy, and people who see this are actually gonna read it. That's the best thing about Engagi. It creates content that people actually want to read, and you can modify it right over here. For example, if you want to change something about this, you can just put it right over here. Thank you for a wonderful post. For example, this. And when you're ready, just copy it, close it, and paste your response right inside of your social media channel. And guess what? It works with every single social media. I'm talking about, it works with Facebook, LinkedIn, X, Threads, Reddit. Wherever you go, you will find that little icon. Here I am on X, and you can see the little Engagi icon is right where it should be on the comment box, and all I need to do is click on it, choose my response like congratulate, and keep it exactly the length I want to, and just click on generate. And that's it. My response is generated. I can do the work in just seconds, not even minutes. That's how cool Engagi is, and it really helps you grow your reach, grow your influence, because here is how the algorithm works. When you interact with other accounts on any social media network, they tend to show you to more people. And when people engage with you in turn, like they respond to you or they like your comment, or even other people who are watching the same thread or watching the same post like your comment or respond to you, what it does is your content will be shown to them more often. They will see your content on their feed, and that increases your influence, your reach. All the people who see your content, who interact with it, will see your content more often. That's how it works. That's how the algorithm is. So this is the only way to grow your account. It's the easiest way and the most organic way, because that is what social media companies want. They want you to be there on the platform. They want you to create content, and they want you to do it as much as possible. And with Engagi, it makes it absolutely a no-brainer to craft really relevant, high-quality content in any niche at all. Every single Engagi response is right on the spot. It is relevant, it's not spammy, and you can do it all day, and your your reach and influence will just go higher and higher. And the best thing is, it doesn't take a lot of work. You don't need to be an expert writer to engage with Engagi. You can be somebody who has a basic understanding of the topic, or even not even that, and Engagi will do a splendid job. You can give it to your VA or even your 8-year-old child, and they will be able to interact on your behalf on social media networks. And guess what? Engagi works with every single language that's out there that's supported by AI. So you can interact in the language you want. You can be talking in English or French or Russian or Hindi or Punjabi for that matter, or Chinese, absolutely any language you want, and grow your social media account, grow your social media influence, get more clients, get more customers, and become an influencer in any niche with Engagi. And remember, it works with every single network out there. I only gave you a small sampling when I showed you the list, but it also works with Pinterest, it works with Twitch, it works with YouTube, it works with all the social media networks, all the social media companies. And you can have a little Engagi icon right on the browser. You can pin it and use it on any website. Just by clicking on it, the Engagi pop-up will pop up and you will be able to craft fantastically relevant responses in just a matter of seconds. So I know you're excited about Engagi. If you get it, I will see you inside. This is Cyril Gupta, your best friend in the business, signing off.